If you've been online for any time at all, you know that video and video marketing is one of the most powerful ways to market. It can be used to build lists faster than ever, to drive more sales than ever, and to build connections with your viewers and visitors quicker than anything else. But loads of people still don't use video because it's hard to get all the techie stuff, all the code, the settings, the FTP, and that other stuff right. Now, the biggest problem is obviously hosting, because video files are bigger than text and images. So if you have a video on your website, and if you get thousands or even hundreds of people to your website because you're having a promotion, for example, then your website can slow right down straight away, even if you have a good hosting account. Now, the worst case is that your website can go offline completely and you can lose thousands of dollars in sales and look bad in the process. So, Amazon S3 came up with a solution. They have a huge infrastructure of hosting around the world, and they literally charge pennies for you to host with them, and they will serve your video through your website time and time again. And all the big names like Mike Filsaime, Frank Kern, John Reese all use Amazon S3 because it's the best system out there. Even though it's such a good system, however, it still doesn't solve all the other problems. It's still extremely hard to use. You still have to know all the techie stuff. You need to know FTP and how to FTP files. You have to be able to edit settings and edit permissions, mess around with complicated code. And once you've messed around with that code, you have to work out how to get that code on your website and then get your video to play in your video player. As you can see, it's just a complete nightmare for most people, and that is where EasyVideoPlayer comes in. We created something that is an amazingly simple thing to use, and it solves all of those problems so that you can get pro-level results like the big guys without having to know all the technical trickery. It makes video marketing easy, and I'm going to show you right now how simple it is. I'm going to show you how you upload a file, set your video player settings to work exactly how you want them to, and get it online within 30 seconds flat. First, you will browse to your file and hit the upload button. You can then select from a huge range of video player styles and settings, like if you want your video to play automatically or not, or if you want to have share buttons below it, or change the size for it to fit your website, or display the player controls or not. Then you simply hit save. You're then taken to a page and given a small piece of code that you can copy. Then you go to any of your websites, however they are powered, and simply paste that code into the website, and there it is. As soon as you hit the save button, you're done and your video is live. As you can see, it really is that simple, and it takes seconds to embed video into your sites the right way, all powered by the industry-leading Amazon S3 solution that historically has been very difficult to use. If you try to go about the do-it-yourself way to use something like YouTube for your videos, you're going to lose out big time. It's not designed for internet marketing or selling, and it doesn't give you any of the controls over your video, the most important part of the process. And if you use it for selling, you could even be breaking their terms and conditions, and your video could be pulled at any time. Now, EasyVideoPlayer 2 puts you in control. It lets you control and track all of your videos across all of your sites, all from one easy to manage dashboard location. It's also designed specifically for people like you, internet marketers. Even the biggest launches rely on EasyVideoPlayer to power their video marketing.
About innovation. I want to talk to you about true game changers. Like, for instance, a service like Zappos. They didn't invent shoes. They didn't invent the selling of shoes. They just made it better. They say necessity is the mother of invention, right? And that gives rise to game changers. When you come across a game changer and you actually witness what it can really do, it makes you go,
hey guys, Joe Kissimmee here, and real quick I want to talk to you about my very good friend Josh Bartlett, and basically just thank him for what he has done for me and my online businesses. Now, a few months ago I bought this product called EasyVideoPlayer. I started using it, I started playing around with it, and immediately, instantly I started seeing some crazy results. For example, I'm just going to give you one example. What used to take me like 45 minutes up to an hour to do, now with EasyVideoPlayer, it takes me like 5 minutes, like literally, sometimes less than 5 minutes. It's really crazy. I used to use like 5 to 6 different tools and websites that I had to go to, sometimes even more, to be able to accomplish the stuff that I needed. And with EasyVideoPlayer, it's like an all-in-one package. I truly love it. It's become a part of my how I run my business now. Now, all that stuff and all these results and these crazy results that I was seeing, I did with like the old version of EasyVideoPlayer. Josh has put out a second version, like a 2.0 version of this of EasyVideoPlayer, and it's totally insane. I started using it, I started playing around with it like a couple weeks ago, and it has a whole bunch of these features, some insane features. One of my favorite features of it is like this video blog creator type thing. It creates like these pages like in seconds. I mean, literally like seconds. I love it. And right below that video, it has like this Facebook app thing that, you know, you click on the like button and you post something like a lot of the top marketers are doing nowadays. It's one of my favorite features out of all the new features that he's got on this new feature or on this new version. It's totally insane. I highly recommend it to anybody that wants to take their business to the next level. I know you're going to love it. I can't wait for you guys to check it out. Now, Josh, man, keep doing the great work, brother. I mean, you're one of the few guys, one of the handful of guys that truly put out some really good product that really helps people out. And not only that, but the thing works, okay? And that's very important, that it helps people out and that the product actually works, okay? You're a top-notch guy, a real class act, and for that, Josh, I thank you so much. And with that said, folks, this is Joey Kissimmee. Peace. I love you for free. Out.